What city are we in then, my wife?
Oviedo.
And where are we?
Where are we?
Where are we? What are we in?
We're in motorhome Aire.
Yeah.
And we're just going to have a 40-minute walk into the old town and just go and have a little discover.
And how much is it?
Free.
That's right.
Nada.
Nada. Right. Give you the keys, you can walk up. I'll give the good people a little show around. There's some big spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've got a huge space. You could get a bus in these two end spaces. I don't care how big your motorhome is or what you're towing, you could get it in. Brian's 6.4 metres long, and there's a good 1.5 metres at the front and a good 2 metres at the back, so it's probably a 10-metre space.
Very wide as well.
Yeah, very wide. You've got service areas, drains, you've got your loo, you've got, I think there's fresh water somewhere. See, aguas negras, that's your black waste. Oh yeah, oh, look at that, she spotted it. Got fresh water, everything you'd possibly need. And this is just for motorhomes. Signs out the front that say not entry except auto caravana. But we'll go and see what the village has got. Town even. So, another destination on your Camino. I'm going to spin you round because it's been bathed in light. Are you looking forward to getting started this week?
I really am. A couple of days. Sort
Yeah.
the bag out tomorrow. Make sure I've got a sandwich. And then I'm off.
Yeah. And sights like that will be there.